Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl. In this problem, we're going to find out when our vector-valued function is continuous. In order to determine the interval on which a vector-valued function is continuous, we need to look at the individual components. So let's begin by looking at f of t equals 1 over 2t plus 1. Notice that this particular function only has a discontinuity when t equals -1/2. So my function's continuous on the interval -∞ to -1/2 and -1/2 to infinity. To get a visual, we're going to put it on our number line here. So at -1/2, I have a discontinuity, but otherwise it's continuous over the rest of the interval. Okay, let's do the same thing for g of t. G of t is 1 over t. And it's continuous everywhere except when t equals 0. So it's continuous on the interval from -∞ to 0 and 0 to infinity. Visually, I'll have a discontinuity at 0, and otherwise, my function's continuous. So for my vector value function, I have to find places where both of these functions are continuous. So for my vector valued function, we'll say r of t is continuous on the interval from -∞ to -1/2, also from -1/2 to 0, and on the interval from 0 to infinity. I hope that was helpful. Thanks.